Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer US to your Trezor hardware wallet. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer and open the Trezor Suite application. Make sure your Trezor Suite is fully updated for the best experience. You will then unlock your device using your unique PIN, preparing it for secure transactions. This initial setup is crucial for managing your digital assets safely. Next, prepare your Trezor to receive Tether. USD commonly operates as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network. Within Trezor Suite, select your Ethereum account. If Tether is not automatically displayed, you might need to add it as a custom token using its contract address. This step ensures your Trezor Suite correctly recognizes and tracks your USD balance, making it ready for transfer. Now, let's get your receiving address. In Trezor Suite, go to your Ethereum account and click on the Receive tab. A unique receiving address will be generated. It is critical to verify this address directly on your Trezor device's screen to prevent any tampering. Once confirmed, copy this address. This is the destination for your Tether, ensuring it arrives safely in your hardware wallet. Finally, complete the transfer. Navigate to your exchange or source wallet and begin the withdrawal process. Select USD and ensure you choose the Ethereum network, which is the ERC20 standard. Paste the Trezor receiving address you copied earlier into the destination field. Always double-check all details, including the amount and network fees, then confirm the transaction on both your exchange and your Trezor device for maximum security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.